I got chopped up a little bit on this really choppy around, but that's my short that I got stopped out. And as soon as I got stopped out and came above the V valve, I said, okay, this is going to be a 5-minute open range breakout. So I flipped my position long, toward the 170 breakout 175, which was the All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. We are going to do the recap. Brian and I had a pretty good day. Tesla is running up right now, and I had at the open I got chopped up a little bit on that. Unfortunately, it was gapping up. Tesla was gapping up because of some analyst upgrade or something like that. So it was gapping up around 2%. I tried to catch a 1-minute open range break up on it, and popped up. I sold, and then I got stopped out. So that was a little bit choppy here, and then I actually flipped short on it, and I said, okay, we're gonna really drop this drop. I flipped short and squeezed back up, and I got stopped out. So at the open, I got chopped up a little bit on this really choppy around, but that's my short that I got stopped out. And as soon as I got stopped out and came above the V valve, I said, okay, this is going to be a 5-minute open range breakout. So I flipped my position long, toward the 170 breakout 175, which was the pre-market high. It turned out on a 5-minute chart, turned out to be a very beautiful engulfing pattern. It's just I had to stop really. I mean, it's the first 5 minutes has been really difficult to trade in the last couple of months actually, and I better really to stop trading it. But the risk management is important. As long as you get out of it and you don't get squeezed on it, you're gonna be good. So essentially, it turned out to be a really nice 5-minute opening range breakup. Did go up. I added a little bit for the breakup 175, got out, and then I got stopped out here eventually in this trade. So I really got stopped out, and then at 9:45 something happened. I don't know exactly what. There was some volatility, and after the volatility, market just continued, went higher. At around 10 again, we have a little bit of volatility because of the consumer sentiment, University of Michigan consumer sentiment, and then it just continued going higher, and really didn't give us any potential entry on Tesla. I was hoping to get a 920 trade on it. If it comes back to this 920 moving average, this is 20, this is 9 moving average that are going up. If it was pulling back around here, it would have been a really good buy opportunity, but really didn't give us any trading opportunity on that. So that was it. I mean, although I had one loss on it on Tesla, eventually turned out to be a very profitable day for me. Even though I had a bad loss on Tesla, I actually made money on the long side because, again, the concept of risk reward. If you take profit longer than you get stopped out, on the long term, you're going to become profitable. So that was Tesla. AMD was very, very strong. Semiconductors are really strong, and essentially the puts that Ardi and I sold, SOXL 6 and 8, which is essentially your going long the market, they're doing really well. So they're going to probably by February or end of January, they're going to go worthless. So that's around $40,000 with a very little exposure. Anyway, so semiconductors are bouncing back. As you see, let's go to the daily chart as well. SOXL, we sold our puts around here. When the market is dropping, the premium for the puts are going to go up because everybody wants to buy puts because they want to protect themselves. So when you sell the puts, you become the casino. And now that they're bouncing back, those puts are going to be worthless, and we collect the money. But more than that is generally semiconductors seems that they found the bottom and they're going up. AMD is really running up today. The last couple of days, I think 79.22 would be an opportunity for that. It was doing a consolidation and also a big ask at 78, went long heavy at 77.80, popped up all the way up to 78.20. So that was a quick scalp. So we made profit on that, and I got out of it. And now, it's just kind of very, very looks very toppy, so I don't want to be in there. But AMD might do a 920 trade here. Might be a good buy around 77.60 for the move back up toward the high of the day. I may probably not trade it, but that's an opportunity here. Brian, how was your trading day?
No, it was okay. I took a long on Manu, MANU, but it was just a little bit too early. It was still chopping around, trying to figure out where to go. So I had a bit of a loss on that one at the open, but kind of was playing it to the top side, hoping it would pop. But it took a little longer, so I ended up getting stopped out. But yeah, I took a long on Apple at 150. So just basically it was, just following the market up and, partials out to 151. Other than that, yeah, it was that was sort of a good day. And I traded AMD through a whole 77.
Very nice. That's
So
excellent.
yeah,
Oh yeah, you traded AMD for 77, huh? Through the 77. Yeah, you got it
yeah,
early, much
yeah.
earlier than me.
So yeah. Anyway, yeah, it was a good day overall. Not a bad day.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. So, happy Thanksgiving, all American friends. Hope you spend time with the friends and family. We have Dubai meetup in this Saturday. Ardi and I are gonna go fly tomorrow. I'm not gonna be able to trade on Friday because I'm on the plane. So see you on Saturday evening. We found a place. We posted that in the forum. Hopefully see about I think about 20 people are coming. That's amazing. And possibly I want to actually move to Dubai one day. So that's good to make friends over there. And yeah, and then Friday we have a half a day trading, and I think it's Black Friday, so the market might not be really crazy. Even
Yeah,
though today was
yeah,
really nice.
half day. Yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
But as we always said, even with at the open, there's usually some trading opportunities, even though it's a low volume day between
Awesome.
holidays, etc. So
Thank you
yeah,
so much, guys. God bless you, and happy Thanksgiving, all my American friends. Enjoy the turkey.
yeah.
Good